We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Marsail 12V car fridge, 25 quart, portable freezer, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Consists of the following features. Efficient cooling with compressor technology. This car refrigerator uses advanced compressor technology to achieve fast cooling, keeping your food fresh or frozen without delay. With 2 cooling modes: max mode, 60 watt, for rapid cooling, it takes only 15 minutes to bring the temperature from 78 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and min mode, 45 watt, for long-lasting cooling with less power. Ideal for road trips, camping, and outdoor activities, this electric cooler is perfect for all your on-the-go cooling needs. 2 power options, car and home. Featuring 2 power options, this electric cooler is equipped with both 110/240 volt AC and 12/24 volt DC adapters, allowing you to power it at home or in your car. Whether you're on a road trip or relaxing at home, these versatile power options ensure your food stays cool wherever you are with the car fridge. Wide temperature range for all types of food. With a range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to +68 degrees Fahrenheit, this portable freezer keeps meats, ice cream, and frozen vegetables deep frozen, while your fruits, dairy, and beverages stay cool and fresh. Perfect for storing a variety of foods, whether on a road trip or at the campsite. The car fridge is a reliable companion for all your food storage needs. Compact 25-quart design for efficient storage. The 25-quart portable freezer offers just the right amount of space for essential foods and drinks, holding up to 40 cans of 330 ml drinks. This car fridge is compact, portable, and great for small groups or short trips, providing ample space without taking up unnecessary room. Durable and easy to use. Designed with durability in mind, this car refrigerator includes a secure latch, ergonomic handle, and solar power capability, ensuring it's built for long-lasting outdoor use. Whether traveling by car, RV, or at home, it's the perfect versatile solution to keep your food fresh and cool in the car refrigerator. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.